Today in this video, we are going to discuss which paradigm and programming language are more suitable for Scenario 3. Scenario 3 is a study case about mathematical functions such as factorial, Fibonacci, prime number and greatest common divisor GCD. Which paradigm we should use? Imperative? No, imperative is a bad idea. Mathematical functions is discussed in this scenario. Hence we should use functional paradigm. Why we choose functional paradigm? The first reason is functional paradigm is based on reviews of fundamental ideas of mathematical functions. Next, second reason is functional paradigm provide better readability, reliability and high accuracy of result compared to imperative paradigm. The third reason is easier to understand and meanings of expressions are independent of their context. The last reason, functional paradigm does not use memory cells because it does not use variable or assignment statements. Hence, recursion is used for repetition compared to iteration. We will use language evaluation criteria (LEC) to compare functional paradigm language Lisp and Haskell. First we talk about readability. Lisp have parenthesis stacking which will increase difficulty to read. Next, it had polish annotation which will confuse user with typing and spacing. Haskell using a lot of recursion. Next, Haskell code's written in smaller pieces but it means a lot such as swap function. Next, it allow long identifiers and use underscore to split the word of identifier such as prime underscore number. Now we will discuss about writability. Lisp has many dialects which each has their own unique. Example, Common Lisp has many useful built-in function. Lisp also is a homoconic which use S expression, notation for nested list. Haskell can define according to user desired data type. It is strong typing because it does not need to remember a lot of typing rules. It is polymorphic type system which the function can be written to work on any given data type. Next we talk about reliability. Lisp using dynamic typing system. It is fast because no need to define types for all values or operations. It has very little security because the functions can alter themselves as well as other functions. Haskell does not have type coercion. Type coercion is the conversion of one type of object to a new object of a different type with similar content. It used static type checking. Now we talk about cost. Lisp can runs on many platforms. Its training could be expensive. The commercial version of Lisp is at least $600 USD. Haskell is free of charge. But its training cost is needed to the programmer who used imperative language. After LEC comparison, we decide to use Haskell instead of Lisp. The reasons we choose Haskell is because Lisp using Polish notation which many programmers do not familiar but Haskell does not using Polish notation. Example. Next reason is parentheses code is full in Lisp but not in Haskell. Example. Another reason is Haskell is a strong typing because which does not have a lot of rules. Besides that, it has polymorphism type system which can handle value uniformly without depending on their data type. The last reason is Haskell has lazy evaluation which is a method to make code more simpler and modular. Now, let's us explore the program.
Created using Powtoon.